We got a Hildy, we got a small. Yeah, why don't you grab a shovel? There you go, back door. I don't think we're going to need one, but you can grab one.
Flat or spade?
Spade. Good morning, plumbers. As you know, we do everyday plumbing, the good, the bad, and the ugly. All while training my two sons, the plumbing apprentices. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. We truly appreciate it. For today's adventure, we're going to extend a sump pump hard pipe out. They have a flex pipe. We're going to make it permanent. And we're also going to replace a sump pump that went bad. It looks like it's bad. It's sitting high and dry on the side. So we'll see when we get there, and we're going to get the shots. Here's the plan. This pump here is just sitting in this giant pit, and what we're going to do, as you see, this hose is a rubber hose that just floats around. It was actually like a little snake floating around in the water, and we're going to hard pipe it out the sidewall. The pump is good, as you hear. So stay tuned, and we're going to put a check valve straight out. CB is going to drill some holes. Drill a hole. A hole. CB, where did you hit your head last time? Right here. You watch your head, okay?
Okay, CB.
Come on. Come on. Dude, I'm going to check this little hole over here. I'd like to lower this pump, if at all possible. Just give me the Hilti, because the cord is long enough. Plug that jug in, CB. Up, keep it down the water, CB. We'll be above the pipe. Safety first. I don't know if it's going to work or not. Pull the cord for me. There you go. Take the slack out. Thank you. There you go. Listen to me. See this hole here?
Yeah.
Start hitting this hole with the Hilti. We're gonna put the pump right here and pipe it over. It should reach. This pump's tired. 10.
Oh, I shouldn't be close.
What? Oh yeah, it's right here. There you go. Get used to this joker. The drill do the work, baby. Keep pressure on it, it'll work, and if you get any problems, take your finger off the juice. straight. Unplug that, Chuck. Throw that back there somewhere. Put the check valve right here. Heavy one check valve and the 5. You always got to put these in the right direction. Okay? There's an arrow on it. Here's the arrow pointing up. Off the wall. Take it to the wall. We'll call that 13, 16. Cut me a piece 14 and a half. So cut off 5.5 feet.
5.5?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's a 20-foot length.
Yeah, yeah.
And then we're going to need a piece roughly 5.5. How about that? Grab me 690s.
Mark's right here.
That's it. Cutter.
On this?
They're in that basket you were going to dump.
Huh?
They're in that basket. Bring it. You ain't got to bring out that basket. They're in that basket. Come on, Daddy.
That's where they get these screws out like this.
Pair of pliers so you don't bend them. Down here.
I can still turn it.
What?
The 90.
What about it?
You still turn the pipe from that angle.
Try it.
Looks pretty tight to put it in his ass.
It ain't gonna hurt it. You grab that joker. You know what I mean? I need a piece. Oh, minus 16. Minus 16 CB off of this. Alright, 71. 71 minus 16 is 55, right? Yeah. Yep. 55. CB doing it. All right, CB. Now I'm gonna have some play. Now. Now. Which one? You got it. Now, what I want to know is plumb. That look good right there? Oh, don't move. So this is the exact measurement I need, okay? Oh, perfect.
Oh, you got play over there. Yeah. All over my hand.
What? Glue? You're a plumber. 50, is that straight up and down? 58 and a half. That's all. 58 and a half, I said?
Yeah.
A little bit of glue. CB's got glue on his hand. Oh, you never got a second pair of gloves?
One's in my pocket. I forgot to grab that one.
Now. Glue. Let's tighten this up. Here's the plan. Let's secure this pipe, make sure we're plumb. Ah! Damn!
It's karma for
That was my head!
It's karma for making fun of me all day.
Oh,
my head.
Stop it! Alright. Get some hangers on that. One here. One right here. Give me one. Here we go, Cosby.
Do the hammer. Do you have this down there?
Huh?
Do the hammer down there?
Yeah.
Where'd you want? Oh, one over here somewhere.
Somewhere where it's gonna work. I see.
Oh,
Tight spot, right?
just not that close to.
That's alright, it'll work. Do it.
Do you also care like if they both face different ways?
Nah. This is a pump system that's in case it floods. You know what I mean? It doesn't matter. Turn to 90. How much more? Oh yeah.
Oh. It's not
What?
straight. You
What
want
do you
to push
mean?
it over?
How bad is it?
I think we need it.
Perfect. Now.
Like that?
Yep. There you go. This way it's just another pipe you can hit your head on. Alright. Now, go outside. Let's see how it works.
You still have that whole pipe hanging out there.
All right. Hit the shot, CB. So here's the plan right here. We're going to shoot this right over the gas pipe. I should shoot it. Should I shoot it down or shoot it next to the... I'll just shoot it out. This way they know when it's done pumping. Kind of like it. Kind of excited. Give me some blue. Now, Chucky. Friday morning.
Yeah.
Guess what you and Angelo are doing?
What?
Next door.
Gotcha.
Alright. You'll be the lead. Angelo's gonna be your helper. You see what we did here, man. Hook the pump up. Put it outside. You see where it goes. Comes by. Just a cleaner job. And it's a wrap. It's a wrap on this pump.